how to get compensation for a delayed or cancelled Qatar Airways flight. Did your Qatar Airways flight experience delays, cancellations, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, there's a good chance you could qualify for compensation. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of claiming compensation using compensation. This platform is trusted by travelers around the globe and takes care of everything on your behalf, so you won't need to deal with Qatar Airways directly. To begin, head over to Compensare. Although you can search for it online, once you're on the Compensare site, start by entering your Qatar Airways flight details. This includes your departure and arrival airport's flight number and the date of travel, which can be found in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass. After entering your flight details, you'll need to input your personal information such as your full name and email address. Don't worry about your data. Compensare ensures that it is handled securely throughout the process. After entering the required information, double-check the details for accuracy before submitting your claim. From there, Compensare will manage the claim with Qatar Airways to secure your compensation. All you need to do is wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive an email notification and the compensation will be sent directly to your chosen payment method. That's all there is to it. So that's basically how you can get compensation for a delayed or cancelled Qatar Airways flight. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.